get in there.
That's my girl. That's my girl. Yeah. Yeah. Baby, we got this. Booyah.
Hey world! Welcome back to the Women's Bar. I'm your girl Casey.
And I'm Kiambra.
And today we're going to be doing a ACV cleanse. Woo.
Yes. I need it so badly. It's ridiculous. My hair is terrible.
Terrible, dry, y'all. Ooh. Lord. But anyway, so the Apple Cider Vinegar Cleanse, it has so many benefits as softening up rough locks, stimulate growth,
Antibacterial and fungal properties. It removes buildup as well.
all that dirt, all that.
Yeah, like we're gonna give y'all a close up of what my hair look like too. Like,
Okay, so let's get up before her. Let's lean your head down. Let's get in there, cause it's gonna look totally different when she get there.
yes.
Okay, so what we have here is lemon and lime, and I'm just gonna put like half in this batch because I'm doing 2 batches.
Behind me we have a bucket of water here.
And it has to be hot water, hot,
Real hot.
and I have your Himalayan pink sea salt. Well, I can't get it out. Sea salt. And next I have grinded fresh ginger. Ooh, it looks good.
Smells good
Oh,
too.
it smells so good, y'all.
Oh, yes.
And I'm gonna put like half of the bowl in here also. Oh, it smells so good. Ooh, okay, so here goes apple cider vinegar. And you have to make sure it says no matter what brand with the mother. Okay? You have all the nutrients in here. And 1 cup. So I'm gonna put 1.5 cup of baking soda. 1.5. Can you hear me? 1.5.
Miss.
Ooh, Lord. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Ooh.
You don't need to add anything else? Okay.
Now it's time to cleanse. This is the first batch. I don't know if you can see it, 'cause I can't even lean it. It's a lot of water here. First batch, we're gonna go pour it out and redo this all over again because she has a lot of buildup and we want it clean. Okay? Anyway, so we're done. This is the second one and she's about to go rinse her hair before we get to styling. So, stay tuned.
Peace. And get that big heavy head out of the water.
Oh, Lord. How your head feel?
Light. I feel lighter and my head don't stain. Like usually I can smell like My hair,
Yeah.
when it's wet, it just be smelling like a dog. It smell like mildew. It be making me think of a rat, like how a rat smell. It's be disgusting. I'm so happy it's like over with now. Now I just gotta maintain it, make sure I keep a bonnet on or whatever.
Y'all cigarette bites.
Cigarette bites, what?
Look at the your ears look like cigarette bites. And that look ugly.
I know. So this is how it looks coming out of the water.
Ain't no build up, ain't nothing but fruits. Fruits. Yeah, girl. Look, open these lots up. Clean.
Yes.
Clean.
Ooh, yes.
Clean, honey. Okay, it's time for you to rinse.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm about to go through her scalp with aloe vera. If you can see it, I cut a piece. Get in there. Get in there. Okay.
You're so lame.
It helps stimulates growth.
That feels so good.
And it also can add moisture to your hair. If you got that dry scalp, it can help with that. Flaky scalp.
Ooh.
That hurt it.
What you just did with a diamond film?
Not bad. I felt it. The neck that got
Go. This is like the best thing ever. The best treatment I done ever got in my entire world. Entire life, I mean.
Ooh. Ta-da! Hold your hair down. Ooh, get in there. So, okay guys, I'm finally finished. She can't, well, this is what she wanted and I
Slated, okay.
So I would leave my link to my this style is called Lock Curl Barrels Updo, whatever y'all wanna call it. Anyways, you can follow me at HaloCrown_, my hair page. And
thank you guys for watching this long video, y'all. I am sleepy. I'm ready to go.
Tired.
Yes, thank y'all so much for watching. Continue to watch. Comment down below if you like my new hairstyle. And if you like the dramatic and drastic change, because it was definitely a change, okay?
And tell me, like, if you would like for me to make more hair videos, what would you like to make me to do? Comment down below in the comment section. And don't forget to click that bell.
Yes, to be notified every time we do a upload. And don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Peace out.
Peace out, because I'm tired.
Yes.